So this is after the orientation step in the 3x3 blindfold. So now we have to move the corner pieces or edge, but I'm just gonna do corners. So I look at this one right here. You can just like, okay, first let's number them. This is number 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8. So okay, so I want to move 1. This is 1, 2, 8. So my cycle is 1, 8, then the other one is this one. So it's 1, 8 to 7. That. So I set it up. So the algorithm you use is the one that cycles. You can either use 2 algorithms. The ones from that the corner from here goes to here, corner from here goes to there, and that corner comes back here. So you solve 2 corners at a time after you oriented the corners. So I'm gonna do a U prime L2 to set it up. Now I have to set up this one, so it's U prime L2 B2. Now I got that. So I undo the setups. You do B2 because I did B2 last. I did U prime L2, so I do L2 U. And this piece, see, this was right here. It went from, so it was, see, these 2 got solved now. That's basically all you do. So next, so I look at, okay, this is a 2 cycle because I just want to move from this to here. So there's nothing I can do right now. So okay, then there is this piece needs to go from here to there, there to there. So it's a 3 cycle. Instead of just, I could just do a rotation and it becomes the base we know. So I'll write down the algorithms for the thing. So now we solved 6 corners and the positions of the edges are still intact, so they have not been moved. We just need to switch these 2 and it's a parity. It's a parity. So the next thing we do is the following. We permeate the edges. So I look at this one right here. Let's number them. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The back one's 8. 9, 10, 11, 12. I just use visual because the numbers are kind of hard to remember. So I want to move this piece from here to there, there. So what I do is I can either use an algorithm that does from here, this edge moves this edge from here to here, and this edge from here to there. So you can either use one like it's a cycle like that, or you can do the opposite. There's many cycles, and another one is like that. It goes like boom, 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 and it cycles those. You can use any one. I'm just going to use the basic, the one that I explained in a 3x3 tutorial. So what you do is I want to move this piece from here to there. So how do I do that? I do L2 because this piece needs to go from here to there, so I do L2 to get it out of the way. Then I do U, so it's L2U. Then I do D2 R2. So it becomes a cycle. L2U, D2 R2. Then you do there. See, I got those 2 now. And this piece comes up here. So like there, the orange green edge was right here. It comes up here because it's a cycle. Hence the 3 cycle method. Now we do now this piece needs to go from here to there, and this and from here to here. So I do B prime, set it up. I'm gonna do the across one. F V2 F prime, and I do so you reverse the setup after doing it. Now it's an okay, this one is this from piece from here to there and back, and then it finishes the cycle. So what you want to do is, I'm going to use another 3 cycle. You can use any 3 cycle you want. I'm just going to give you 4 algorithms to use. You do F2, U2, B2. There. So the corners are still exactly this. These need to be switched and the others are solved. Okay, now we do the other. So we look at the top layer for any other pieces that are not solved. Let's see. This one is not solved, so I see where it needs to go. It needs to go right here. This piece needs to go right here. So, and this piece goes right here. And it's cycle. It's a 4 cycle, but we only solved 2 pieces. So I do U2, U2, B, R2. Rotate the cube, and then U2, B, R2. There. Now we have a parity. This is the most annoying part of the entire solve. A parity occurs when we have an even number of a 2 cycle and even numbered cycle, like those. That's even 1. These 2 need to be switched. These 2 need to be switched. The easiest way to deal with this is using a permutation. So to solve it, so the permutation does the following. It switches 2 corners and 2 edges like that. It's a T. So yeah. So let me do the perm. So these 2 got switched. So like now the cycle was these 2 need to be switched. So it went right here. So this piece needs to go right here now. Oh wait, these 2 got to be switched. These 2 got switched. So this piece needs to go back here when it was solved, and this piece needs to go right here and then back. So you have to be careful when you switch them. Mentally visualize what the cycle is. It's kind of hard though at first. Then we just do the edge permutation algorithm and we're done. Oh wait, wrong algorithm. So okay, now we're done. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments and I will be happy to answer them. Bye.